sridevi la walk பண்ணுங்க.
sridevi மாதிரியெல்லாம் walk பண்ண முடியாது.
Try பண்ணுங்க.
Let me try.
Yes, yes.
ഞാൻ ഈ സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് കുറേ പ്രാവശ്യം വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ ഇത് ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഐ എം ഡൂയിങ് ദിസ് ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫി തിങ്. സോ യാ ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് ഷൈ ആണ് ബിക്കോസ് ഞാൻ അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു പേഴ്സണാണ്. ബട്ട് ദിസ് വാസ് ഗുഡ്.
Thank you for that. Hi, excuse me. Can I talk to you for a minute? I'm a photographer. Can I take some of your photos? It's for Instagram purpose. Yeah, yours. I can also take a group photo of yours. I'm just going to take 2 minutes of yours, that's it. Please come over there, where the light is. Okay, you guys know you're from where? Kerala. You know Malayalam or Tamil? Both, you know. Vaanga. Late is a kade polama anga nalla varudhu photos. My name is Anil. What's your name?
Anushwara.
Anushya.
Anushwara. Anushwara.
Anushwara. Oh, that's very fancy name. I never heard such name before. Anyway, Anushwara, where are you from?
Kerala.
Kerala. Okay, according to you, what is famous in Kerala?
In my place is the place of festivals.
It's a place of festival over there. So festivals are famous, according to you. Okay, so how long it's been that you're in Bangalore?
I have been here for 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
I'm from IT.
You're doing IT.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to become in future? Any ambitions you have?
I do have, but
Okay, not planned yet.
yeah.
It's okay. Just plan, okay? Do you have a favorite actor of yours?
Actor from Malayalam industry.
Any, in general.
Yeah.
உங்களுக்கு யார் favorite?
I do like every actors. I like movies actually.
Okay.
I like the way they build and put story and everything. They put
Okay.
so much efforts into one movie, right?
Okay.
So I like the entire.
Okay, any one movie which you want to pick?
Old movies I like. SRK movies, Kal Ho Na Ho.
Kal Ho Na Ho. So you like SRK?
Yeah, from Hindi I like him.
Okay.
And in
From Malayalam, whom do you like?
Mohanlal.
Mohanlal. Yeah. I know. They are legends, right? I've seen Mammootty's Brahma Yugam. Mohanlal's Drishyam, I've seen. Both amazing movies.
Yeah,
I've really liked it.
Brahmayugam is such a nice movie.
Okay. Do you have any favorite song of yours?
Song. Like.
In general.
Gentle.
சொல்லுங்க உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஃபேவரட்டா சொல்லுங்க.
There is one Malayalam song.
Okay, which is that?
From one actor is there, Asif Ali from his movie.
Okay, Asif Ali.
Yeah.
Okay.
How will I say no?
Okay. It's okay.
I don't know why I'm getting it right.
It's okay. Take your time. அங்க நில்லுங்க. நீங்களும் வாங்க. ஒரு குரூப் ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கிறேன். அங்க நில்லுங்க லைட் ஆப்போசிட். If you want to adjust anything, இங்க அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஹேர்ஸ் நல்லா இருக்குதா? இப்போ ஒரு சோலோ பண்ணலாமே. மேடம் I'll show you. It's okay. Just be yourself, okay? I'm not asking any fancy poses and all. Just if you want to adjust anything with the hairs, with the dress, you can adjust over here. We'll do more, okay? பாருங்க. சரி. இந்த பக்கம் வாங்க. I've taken, I'll tell you, I'm taken like 50 photos over here. It's currently loading. We'll see the photos. பாருங்க. ஒரு candid moment. எனக்கு ரொம்ப நேச்சுரலாக இருக்குது. அக்ரி? வில் டூ சம் மோர்.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Do you want me to post any post
Ah.
or anything? I don't
Nothing, like, if you want to give pose, you know how to post பண்ணுங்க. இல்லைன்னா just be yourself. நாயா இந்த பக்கம் வர அந்த பக்கம் போகிறேன், I'll take whatever I want. Okay? பண்ணுங்க, என்ன போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Too much crowd. Yeah, ready? Why shy? பாருங்க, it's 50 photos over here. லோடாக இருக்குது. We'll see the photos, okay? ஒரு 50 photos இந்த நல்லா இருக்குதா? பாருங்க, ஒரு cinematic photos. ரொம்ப அழகமாக வந்திருக்குது. And then you're shying away. This is good.
This one is good.
Yes. It will be, taken. இதெல்லாம் நான் எடுக்கிறேன். We'll do one slow motion video of yours, okay? Just walk towards the camera.
From there.
Walk பண்ணுங்க. நல்லா ஒரு ஸ்ரீதேவிலா walk பண்ணுங்க.
Sridevi மாதிரியெல்லாம் walk பண்ண முடியாது.
Try பண்ணுங்க.
Let me try.
Yes. Yeah, that was very enough. பாருங்க.
I'm too shy.
It's okay. Don't worry about the public.
No, it's not about the photos.
I'll surprise you with this.
I started talking again.
Okay, we'll do one more.
Wow.
Oh, same one more. Anna, confident வாங்க. Very confident வாங்க. Disturbance, public disturbance. It's okay, I think the first video was only good. ಅದೇ ನೋಡ ಕರ್ಮ ಇದು. Yeah, quick. ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Yeah, that was good.
This one is good. The others are too much crowded.
I'll show this and I'll surprise you with this, okay? நான் சொல்லுக்கிறேன். Any one feedback about this experience in your native language?
My native language.
Yeah, சொல்லுங்க.
ഞാൻ ഈ സ്ഥലത്തേക്ക് കുറേ പ്രാവശ്യം വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ ഇത് ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഐ എം ഡൂയിങ് ദിസ് ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫി തിങ്.
Okay.
സോ ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് ഷൈ ആണ്, ബിക്കോസ് ഞാൻ അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു പേഴ്സണാണ്. ബട്ട് ദിസ് വാസ് ഗുഡ്.
Thank you for that. I hope to see you again.